Yeah, update what's going on. These are rear door speaker pods. These wires is running through the old window switch. The window switch is right there. The wires running through the old window switch, through the door panel, through the I can never think of the name of it. And it runs in here, up under, through the trunk. Yeah, it's serious business right here. Infinity Kappa. I'm gonna mount it to where the tweeter is kind of tilted. You can see, gotta mount it facing up and kind of towards the front. That's how I'm gonna mount it. Put that window switch up to that, and I'll be done with the back doors. And next is the front doors, so y'all can see them.